Hey there. Hey, today's doing some more boat projects. One of the ones we have a lot of trouble with is being able to watch some TV and things, you know, on our TV when we're even, you know, in a marina. Marina is really terrible as far as internet access. So we have to do some YouTube work, right? Got to load some videos, right? Got to do that. And we need to watch some TV, so, you know, we don't want to get too bored. So
open your eyes and look around. So many new things to be found. I know a place where you can go, where there's no one to tell you yes or no. If you just look into your heart, you will find there. That's the place to start. If you take a step and take another again,
So something I'm trying out. I'm testing this out. I think it might work. This is we have Verizon, and so this is an Orbic. It's a hotspot, and I don't know how much data I'm going to use. Right now I haven't used very much. 11.7 megs, and it has, and I got 8 more days, but that's just in this cycle. And then I have 12 gigs. So we're going to test this thing out. And of course I've been doing a lot of wiring and stuff. Lots of wires everywhere. But then we're going to test it out and see how it does. And it costs about $20 a month. It's not really expensive. It can go as much as $80 a month for 150 gigs. But I'm not sure we're going to use that much. So let's see how it works on the TV. Here's our TV. So let's see if it's fast or slow or what it's going to do. Hey, look, Dreamweaver. How about that? So let's see what she'll do. See if it'll play correctly. Excuse me. 373. Sorry about that. Kind of tired. Drove for 10 hours.
So Kathy and I decided to drive from North Carolina to look at the next.
That seems to work good. Yeah, it seems like it works fast. And let's see what this will do. It's
Holden Beach, North Carolina. And so anyway, we found some boats. And we're hoping that...
Oh, well. Yeah, you probably already saw all of those. But anyway, that's the good thing. I think it's going to be fast enough. I tried it on my laptop too last night. And it worked great on the laptop. So hopefully that's going to work. It's 4G and 5G. Now I know it's only going to work in marinas and ICW and a little bit off the shore. I'm not sure how far, maybe 5 miles. Same thing a cell phone would work off, you know, maybe 5 miles or so. But at least it gives us some access. Well, we really want to do Starlink, but you know, at $250 a month, it's kind of pricey until we can go full time. Now we're working on that as hard as we can, and we're hoping to get there. But you know, if we go full time, then I'm all for Starlink. But right now, it's just you know, it's a lot to pay since we're not on this boat permanently. But we'll see how it goes. So anyway, I'll let you know how that comes out, how it works, and how much we use, and how much it costs. It also has a SIM card in it, so I'm assuming it had an international plan also. So I'm sure you could probably go to the Bahamas, get a SIM card and stick in it. It probably works down there also. So I'll let you know how it goes, and hopefully, you know, fingers crossed, we'll be able to have internet and keep loading these every week. We'll load us up an episode once a week. Thanks, and we'll see you soon. Hey there, we've time to do some more boat projects on Dreamweaver. So anyway, today what I need to do is I have 3 latches on different items that just will not work. I mean, they are terrible trying to get them to work. And what I'm talking about is one of the latches is right here on the top of the refrigerator. This one right here, you can push it in, but you can't get it open. It's top loading, which we really like and use a lot, but you can force and force and force. And the thing just won't come open. Latches, it just won't come open. It is really tough. And then the next place I have is in the head. On the door to the black water tank. It's always stuck. You push it in and it's like it comes out, but nothing happens. You can't get it open. It's stuck. So, and it'll latch, but it's latched forever. You just can't get it open. So I need to replace that one too. And that's our black water tank door. And that's how we drain our tank when we're at sea. So, and then, oh yeah, one more. This one is really aggravating. So you'll be sailing along, and all of a sudden, this little door under the oven. Yeah, this one. You'll be sailing along, and you hear something go on you up in the cockpit. And it's loud. I don't know why, but it's so loud. It just keeps going. And then you come down here and you shut it and you heel over to the starboard side, and so we've got to fix this thing. This thing is so aggravating. So anyway, so that's what we're going to do today. Is we're going to take and try to replace some of these and get these fixed. So what I did is I ordered some kits from Catalina direct. And I'll show you what it comes in. It comes in a bag like this. And then you get a couple of pieces. One is the ring that goes through whatever you're putting it through the door or whatever. And then these pieces don't use. I'm not exactly sure how to use them or what they're for, but I think they also work on drawers, so it could be they go on that part. Then you get a nice metal knob, and then a new plastic, which the other ones were too, actually closer. So this way it works is you push it in and the latch comes out, push it in again, it goes back in. That's the way it's supposed to work. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set you down here and let you see as I put one in. You kind of see how it goes. Now fortunately, the one that's the aggravating one, it's already got a ring in there, and there's nothing wrong with the ring, so I'm not gonna really do too much with that. I think I'll just probably leave that. But then the other part, let's see if I can get you where you can see. Yeah, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to screw the knob on first. It'll be easier to get on there now than it will later. And when you put it in, make sure you put it with the latch towards whatever you're trying to latch it on. So it goes in like that. A couple of screws. Let's see what she'll do. See if that fixes it. Yes! It's tight. No more slamming. Oh my gosh. That is going to be excellent. So anyway, so we can mark that off the list. No more selling. Listen to that thing bam back and forth. Oh my goodness. That's great. So now we're going to go over and we'll try to work on the door a little bit for the top loader refrigerator. So I'm back working on the top loading refrigerator part or freezer part, and I found out something that actually these screws right here are loose. So I've been tightening those. I haven't done anything else, but they were really loose. Make sure they're all tight on the hinges, because as I finally got the top open, I noticed it was moving in the hinges. So that can't be good. So let's see what it'll do now. All right. Yes. Hey, I think that was it. I might even have to replace this one. This one's a little different. Anyway, screws in here. I'll show you how it looks. But anyway, so yeah, I think that's better. Still slightly sticky, but yeah, feels pretty good. It's better than what it was, for sure. At least you can get it open. Yeah, I think I might oil that a little bit. Oil that thing up a little bit. A little WD-40 on it. We'll give her a try. So, yeah. So I finally got the one out of the head. And yeah, I'll let you see what it looks like. Notice when you push it, nothing happens. Finally got that door on the black water tank open, but when you push it, nothing happens. Yeah, that's not good. So anyway, so I have replaced it. So let's see if she's going to work now. Yes, there it is. There's the new one. Let's see. That's good, because you have to get to that tank. That's crucial that you get in there. Let's see if we can get it back. Yep. So anyway, we know how to fix that one. Yeah, this one here, we're gonna file it right over here. We'll push this button, and here she goes. So if you have cabinet drawers or doors or anything like that that sticks, then definitely check out Catalina Direct if you have a Catalina, and you could buy those. They're about $50. Well worth it though, because it's aggravating when you can't get one open, or when you you know, don't have one at all, have to listen to it slam back and forth while you're sailing. So anyway, that's it for today. That's three good chores done, 3 good projects done at least and finished.